Hey guys, if you're getting Windows 11 error code 800B0100, don't panic. This error usually means there is a problem with Windows Update security certificates or corrupted system files. You will mostly see this error when installing updates, and the fix doesn't require reinstalling Windows. We're going to reset update components and repair system files step by step, so follow along carefully. First, press Windows R, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Stop. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also called BITS, right-click it, and stop it as well. Next, press Windows R, type C Windows Software Distribution, and press Enter. Delete everything inside this folder. These are temporary update files, and Windows will recreate them automatically. If some files won't delete, restart your PC and repeat this step before continuing. After clearing the folder, go back to Services and start Windows Update and BITS again. Now let's repair system file corruption. Press Windows, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scanow and press Enter, then wait until the scan reaches 100%. If SFC reports that it fixed errors, restart your computer immediately after it finishes. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and let it complete fully. This may take several minutes, so be patient. Once DISM finishes, restart your PC again to apply all fixes properly. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If the update installs normally, this error should now be fixed. If you're still seeing the error, open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, and let Windows apply any recommended fixes automatically. As a final step, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus software and try updating again. In most cases, this completely resolves the error on Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.